Good day. This is African Crypto Warlord. This evening on Sundaze XRPs, we will be looking at your 12-hour ready to print for Monday open. We will be looking. Here's our 12-hour that we're viewing. So we've had our first scalp through. So we're going from our 12-hour. We'll go look at our 5-day. Then we'll go look at our 90-minute, which is currently pushing us through the market levels at the moment. So on a 12-day, we can see that just percentage returns are looking to return to the upside. Here's our mean reversion point. So we have 3 hours and 25 minutes until we close, and then we'll see new mean reversion point. Anything to deny that new mean reversion point hasn't come in as of yet. So to see some push through to the upside, and this get folded down at this level 3481. I would see that coming for Sunday close, Monday open. Let's just go shuffle to the 5-day. I'm going to make this as quick as possible if the internet allows me to. Trending to the downside currently. We have super scalper to the downside 343. Outlier has already been met. We're already at our second standard deviation. We'll wait for a blue flash over here. We've got 2 days and 4 hours until we close. As we've said, we've demarcated and been calling out the 20th to the 24th of August will be round about the time that we have to start buckling down, and if you're going to get long, you'll get long at these because we've been calling the contraction on dip. Okay, so contraction and volatility, we've been calling that dip. So now this is us where I'm thinking that we are at. I was observant enough to catch in at 3336, something like that. Right now on the 3-day, so 5 days expanding down. Trend has decayed to the downside, expanding still. Pearson correlation is not looking like it wants to turn around at the moment. We coming for our first outlier price. We've hit our outliers. This is our first standard deviation to the upside of returns. Can be scalped. Just put it on the 24-hour. Daily 24-hour contraction negatively correlated. That tells me price will float up. Okay, we demarcated this area. Price floats up, and it can float into the 3481 region at least until Monday open. 24 hours has this. If it just closes anywhere above 3397, I'd say you will see mean return oscillator start to push for mean reversion to the upside, and that will help confirm at least a daily print. Starting to look bullish out of this zone, so we'll start to see what cuts us down. So this is the first one that says up. We see our 12 hours also wanting to respond. Our 12 hours super scalper has mean reverted through to the upside over here. Our 24-hour daily is or hit its outlier, so this looks like there's a little bit of steam to return to the upside for a bit here. Contraction was negatively correlated, tells me there's going to be positive drift to the upside. We're looking for a new trend to start. We're at a random point in the market currently, so 12-hour, 24-hour bullish, 6-hour is at an outlier. So 6-hour can be a trend for later on if it plays through. These two are a bit confused, so let's go look at Shannon Entropy. Shannon Entropy is also confused. We're in a random point, so 6 hours looking like there's going to be a lot of signal processing that needs to be done here, but we can just see our returns have hit an outlier. So let's see. So 6-hour has hit an outlier. This could form for a bullish div to push us, as I say, 3481 up into that region. Next thing, if this next candle prints and then this goes red and that stays red, we will definitely catch a new trend, and that will push us up. Okay, so if this fails over here, that will match here, and that will push us more to the downside. So we're going to go look at the 90-minute just to see what's happening at these current exotic levels. There is an opportunity for like a bull div to be put in over here, at least on the new print, which is in 21 minutes. Contraction, that's positive drift. That's what's giving us our float up here, like a handle on a teacup, you know, that kind of signature pattern trade is. Anyway, so what can help that is the fact that 45-minute, 90-minute did get pushed but got denied. This is the candle that if it closes here, we'll have a lot of volatility start to follow up, at least, because there's 2 or 3 time frames that are very low in volatility. Contraction negatively correlated. That's going to help us float up. If this carries on doing its job, it will naturally drift up, and we've already demarcated to the region to the upside. In the current moment in the dip, it's interesting that this is what. Let me zoom out and put it on the 4-hour in a bit, and then I'll get a little bit more structure of where we are. 5 minute, 15-minute, looking for mean reversion to the upside. Has had its volatility, so we'll look for a contraction in volatility. This is going to go sideways, so for the next 5 minutes I can see sideways here, and that will confirm with the higher time frames. I'll put it on the 5-minute just for interest's sake. That's mean reverted, that's starting to close its mean reversion. Expansion is slowing down. We're looking for a new trend on the 5-minute. We've had our red flash. This is the candle to get out, at least on the 5-minute. Trend's decaying. Okay, so let's just go demarcate some regions for a little bit later. What we can see here is we can see in this was let's just throw on so you can see where we are in our last stream. So in our last stream I demarcated this region over here. This is a probability distribution cone. Just know that it was drawn on Etch-a-Sketch, so it's not going to be entirely accurate, but if I was to throw up the 6-hour analyses, then you would see the previous price predictions. So we came in, we ended off in this region here. We gave our targets to the upside. We came in, we held this region, broke down, hit our distribution cone, pushed back into our daily mean, and where are we now? We're very far away from our daily mean. So for that 12 hour to get exhausted, can get exhausted here, but these daily means are these ranges tell me that we're going to have a very ranging day, and given that we have 4 hours till 3 hours and 20 minutes until close, I could see price action at either 3531, 3480, right? Currently it's been failing previous daily mean, which is this one, or here 3416 to help put in a bullish div. Okay, even though you can't see it there, but help put in a bullish div, right? Come in, that there will be a bearish div, and that can be saved at a bullish div here. But if it fails the structure, we're looking for return to the daily mean, and if we bounce here, we will be coming shortly back up to where I'm going to be guessing my next daily mean is around here. So I'm going to make that white, and that's where generally we should be opening or closing if we fail below these. This is where we'll come into to daily close. 15 or 30 minutes before we'll push up, or 15 or 30 minutes after we'll push up. Okay, and then we will make a new video tomorrow. If you are interested in the limits of a 6-hour distribution cone, please go have a look at this video. We'll give that a try for the first time. And yeah, please smash the like and subscribe button. I have the coolest little you'll see the eyes change color as we move around. So have a good day. I hope you guys have a good chilled Sunday, and all the best for Monday Open.